Hi guys, it's Manny Rataul. In today's video, we're going to be looking at something special. It's actually the Nintendo Switch Lite. This is not the bundle version, and this is the coral color. And it's a bit of a weird color. In certain lights, it looks like it is pink, and in other situations, it comes off as peach or salmon. But coral is the official Nintendo color. And here we have the box, just a standard Nintendo Switch. Nothing special. And then this is actually the non-bundle version. So it does not come with a micro SD card, nor does it come with any games. And it actually specifies here at the back, just got a power brick, and you get the console. So this is, once again, the coral Nintendo Switch Lite. Let's open this up and see what we have inside. Here, opening it up, we immediately come up with the Nintendo Switch right here. I'm going to put this to the side, see what else we have in the box. So just a pamphlet, nothing special, and the power charger. And everything else in the box is pretty much empty. Let's take a look at this power cable. So, Nintendo logo, of course, and I noticed immediately that it is USB-C, so that means this is a fast charging cable, which is excellent. No more USB-Bs. And if I'm going to try and see here, it is actually I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Zoom in a little closer. It's actually a 7.5 watt. Let's see. There it is. It's a 7.5 watt charger, so it's not super fast charge, but it is faster than a standard typical 5 watt charger, so that's that. Put all this stuff to the side. And here we have the actual Nintendo Switch. So immediately, first impressions that this is plastic. It's not the OLED version, so it's a light version, but it's not as light or plastic feeling as one would think. This actually has a little more density and weight to it than like my iPhone, which is very good. And the plastic itself is actually sort of like a rubberized texture, very smooth. And this is what I was talking about, the color. In certain situations, it looks like it is pink, but as you switch it around, it does come off as salmon. I'm looking at this through my monitor, and the colors in person and colors I see on screen are completely different. Now, we'll go over some of the buttons here. You got a left analog stick, and you got a right analog stick. Let me zoom in here. You got the A, B, X, Y buttons over here. You got I'm not actually sure. So I'm really new to handheld games, so I'll find out what this button is after, but this is your typical D-pad. And then for your triggers here, you get your right front bumper and bottom bumper, and the same thing for the left side. And over here, you actually get these are your volume keys. I'm not sure if I can zoom in a little bit. Your volume keys. And then here in this little portion is where your game packs go. So that's where you would install your games. So, and at the bottom here, we have the USB-C port. This is for your charging. And at the bottom right here, we have a SD card, and I'm assuming that is for expandable memory. Now, like I said before, this does not come with a micro SD card. You will have to pay for an additional one, and I believe the OLED or the Model Up does come with one, but this one does not. This one cost me around 250 Canadian dollars. I'll put the US and Great British pound equivalent on the screen, but this is essentially it. So I'm going to charge this thing up, and then we'll get it set up. And guys, if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, after immediately booting this up for the first time, you come up to a setup screen. So I'll have this set up. And that's it. Setup is pretty straightforward. Obviously, I haven't linked my Nintendo account because I don't have one. But if you guys are worried about setup, or if you think it's intricate or complicated, it is not. So this is our home menu. Right now, we don't have any games, but the review is coming soon, and I will let you know how this thing goes in the near future. So guys, if you haven't done so, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to stay tuned for the final review. And until next time, peace.